Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, m&m&m, which stands for math, makeup, and more. In today's video, we're going to be focusing on the third letter M, which is more. I'm going to be redoing this corner of my makeup room because I hate this bookshelf and I don't like the way it looks. So I'm going to redo it. If you want to find out what I do and how I'm going to do it, keep watching. The first thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to empty out everything out of the shelves. I have a little box here. I'm going to put it all in. I'm going to just put it all over my room so that I can take apart this bookshelf because it should be able to come in half. We shall see though. Alrighty, first step, empty it out, done. Now, I'm gonna try to take the top off. Pray with me, because I don't know, oh my god, I don't know if I'll be able to do it. We'll see though. I might ruin it and break it, but you know what, this is from Walmart. I ain't that pressed. Okay, I realized I had these in it, and that was what's keeping the top on top of the bottom. And so, gotta figure it out. Alright you guys, I got this at a different angle. So I got the top off, and I'm gonna end up putting the shelf back on this guy, and I'm gonna put it into my closet and use it to help hold my shoes. So let's go ahead and let's do that. You guys, that was a lot harder than anticipated, but we got it done. I'm gonna go ahead and put my shoes in off camera, and then we're gonna keep going with it, okay? I'm out of breath, but that's all right. Sure you guys could see how crazy it was in here. So here's a little update. I got all my shoes I don't really wear currently in here. We'll call those my fall shoes, and ignore how bad my mirror is. What's up? And then all the crap I kept in here before, my bags, some hats and stuff, I just put right there. My wall looks so empty without anything right there. It's kind of nice though. But now I'm gonna build, I have a little thing, I'll show you guys right after I go get it, and we're gonna build that next. All right, I got myself this to put in that corner. So we're gonna build it. Let's get with it. You guys, it looks so empty now, but here is where we're at so far. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna install some shelves right here, and then I'll show you guys how it looks. All right you guys, it's actually a whole brand new day because I tried putting up the shelves that I already had and I hated them. I didn't like them. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna try out these new shelves, see if I like them more. So let's get with it. You guys, my earring thing fell down. I mean, it's my fault for having where I have it. but every single earring fell off of it. And I just stepped in like 10 and oh my god, why? So I picked up my fallen earrings and I put them back on. I have a little decoration there, we'll see if I change it. I have these 2 little shelves and I'm gonna hang those little asymmetrically up on my wall and then I'll be right back. Alright you guys, here is where I'm leaving it off for a little bit. That is everything I did. I added the shelves, I added all my little knickknacks. And yeah, that is my new little corner. Alright you guys, that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. To be honest, I don't know if this is the final thing I'll do with this space. I would probably add some more. I'd like to have like a little, let's see if I can get my finger right. I'd like to have a little like plant right here hanging. Maybe something at the very top, but with what I got in my budget, that's what I can give you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next one. Bye!